Most developers waste indexing power by creating multiple single-column indexes when one composite index could do the job better. Let's see when and why you should choose composite indexes. Use a composite index when your queries filter on multiple columns together. If you're constantly querying hair country equals USA and city equals New York, a composite index on country and city will be much faster than separate single-column indexes. Why? Because the database can traverse one index structure instead of merging results from two separate indexes, which requires bitmap operations and extra processing overhead. But composite indexes have a critical rule, the leftmost prefix rule. A composite index on country, city, and postal code will help queries that filter on country alone or country and city together, but it won't help queries that filter only on city or only on postal code. The index can only be used if your query starts with the leftmost columns in order. This is because the index is sorted first by country, then by city within each country, then by postal code within each city. Composite indexes also enable covering indexes, where the database can answer your entire query from the index alone, without touching the table data. If your query selects only the columns in the index, the database performs an index-only scan, which is incredibly fast. This eliminates the expensive random I/O of looking up rows in the heap table. Finally, column order matters. Put the most selective columns first, meaning columns with the most unique values or columns used most often in where clauses. A high selectivity column narrows down results faster, making the index more efficient. Also consider your common query patterns. If you always filter by country, but sometimes add city, put country first. Bottom line, use composite indexes for multi-column queries, remember the leftmost prefix rule, and order columns by selectivity. Practice more SQL questions at interviewmentor.ai. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.